Do you know you can make money online by turning on your mobile data or Wi-Fi while you are sleeping? Today I'm going to review 3 genuine apps for you to enable you make money online, a passive income. Without further ado, let's get straight to the video. Hello everyone, you're welcome back to the Meet Yusuf. If you are a first viewer on my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the post notification. It is free. Today I'll be unveiling 3 genuine apps to enable you make money by turning on your mobile data or Wi-Fi while you sleep. The first one I'm going to use to you is Honeygain.com. Honeygain.com. Honeygain.com is a passive income website whereby you can make money by simply sharing your internet. You just put on your mobile data or Wi-Fi. So the first thing you need to do is to download the Android application, or better still, you create a portfolio, you create a profile, you sign up to the website or the application. After signing up to the application, this is what they do. Easy way to earn passive income. So start earning with Honeygain and use the money to pay for a stream platform subscription. So the next is earn without compromising security. So when you share your internet, they are not enabled to invade your privacy. So Honeygain ensures that your internet traffic is only used by trusted partners and the app never asks for or gains access to the storage of your device, whether it is a phone or a laptop. So the estimated earnings on Honeygain, your earnings directly depend on the amount of traffic you share with Honeygain's network. The more you share your data or Wi-Fi, the more you earn. So they wrote $55 per month. So this is the 5 steps to Honeygain. The step 1. Honeygain can be installed on any Windows, Linux, Mac OS, Android device with a stable internet connection. So what you do next is run Honeygain. Like you create a profile, you create an account, you sign up for the Honeygain. Once you sign up, once active, Honeygain securely shares your internet connection and never gaining access to your personal data. So Honeygain, the step 3, Honeygain uses your internet connection to gather bits of information that is publicly available online. So that is what Honeygain does. So they share your internet, they share your Wi-Fi, that for people, for company who wants to use it. So 4, help businesses. Credible companies use this data for web statistics, price comparison, and other verified business processes. Because most people will say, why do I need to share my data? Why do I need to sign up for this? People who are using your data are using it for web statistics, price comparison, and other verified business processes. All right. So once you share your data, you get to step 5, you get paid. All right. So users earn money. Once you start using this application, you earn money for all the traffic they share and can choose to receive payouts in PayPal, Bitcoin, or JMPT. So once you reach the threshold of $20, so you can actually request for a PayPal you can actually request for a payout in PayPal, or they can actually send your money to you through Bitcoin. All right. So it is a sweet money. It is a very nice website. Honeygain is a very nice website. So it doesn't even take time. So it only takes 5 minutes to start earning with Honeygain. All right, just 5 minutes, then you start earning. You start earning with Honeygain. I've done this. Let me check. Let me open my Honeygain account for you guys to see. So I'm opening my account. So this is my account. So this is my account. This is the dashboard for Honeygain. All right. So when I registered, I have like 5,000, and once I've been sharing my data for the people who are using it, it keeps increasing. It keeps increasing, and once the threshold, you see, collect $20 to request a payout. So the threshold for a payout is $20. So once you have the $20 in your account, maybe within a day or 2 days, it depends how strong your internet connection is, you request for a payout. All right, so that is Honeygain, and these are the earnings. These are the earnings I make today. All right, gatherings. You can just go through the applications, go through it, search, and know how it works. All right. So once it is $20, this payout will be blue, and I can actually request for a payout of $20. All right. So these are the transaction history of the amount, the statistics, the settings. So how you actually want the application. Maybe you want to set a mobile data limit and all. So you can just check out the application. It is free. Honeygain is actually a very good website, a very good application. All right. So the second one I'll be sharing with you guys is iproyal Pawn. iproyal Pawn. iproyal Pawn is actually like the first one, which is Honeygain. So it is also a passive income online application whereby you share your internet. So you can download the app. So once you download the app, you sign up for an account. Once you sign up for the account, you verify it in your email. So what they do is they share your internet just like Honeygain, and they reward you for sharing your internet. So you install the application on your device, run the iproyal Pawn's app, which securely shares your internet connection with no access to personal data. So what they do with your data, like the Honeygain, they use your data to gather bits of information from the internet. So that's what they do. So companies uses these gathered bits of various services. So they use it from various services. All right. So that is what they do with your data. So how much can you earn? How much can you expect to earn from the iproyal Pawns? So your earnings depend on the amount of traffic, on the amount of gigabyte you actually share, and how long you keep the application running on the iproyal network. So the longer you stay online, the more you earn. That is the code. The longer you stay online, the more you earn on this platform. All right. So few more things from which earning depends, a few more things that have an impact on your earnings, and your internet speed is also very important. So let me go to this is the web browser. So I'm actually going to let me open the application for you guys to see. So this is the Honeygain. This is the Honeygain application. So just set it up and you begin to earn money while you sleep. So the third one is PeerToProfit. The third app is PeerToProfit. PeerToProfit is also like the Honeygain and the iproyal Pawns. It is also like the two previous ones I've discussed with you guys. Okay, so what you do here as well is just to share your internet, just to share your mobile data, and your Wi-Fi. So this is PeerToProfit, right? They share your traffic and profit on it. So that is what they do. So you can actually refer friends and acquaintances involved. All right. So how much can I earn in my location? It depends on the country you're from. So you can just share it. You can just check it out. PeerToProfit.io. The link in my description. You see all the application and the website link in my description. So I'm able to tap to in my link to get started. So the share counting, you can see people that have made money on this site. Wow. Some people have made like $2,827, 2,519, 2,000. A lot of them. Just check it out, man. This is awesome. So average monthly, you can make like $100 per month, and average channel use 10% of available bandwidth and more than 35 different devices. You can use your smartphones, your laptops, operating simultaneously. You can use the same account on your laptop. So you just keep making a huge amount of profit while using it. So how does it works? So you can just go through it and you see what we are talking about. This is not a joke. All right. You don't have to do anything. You don't have to share anything. Just put on your mobile data and you start earning money. So you can just check out the stuff and earn easily in 3 steps. You share extra bandwidth with those who really need it. You get paid for gigabyte. And the most important thing in all this mobile application is you tend to earn more when you refer people to the site. Right? The referral program is very important. So it enables you to earn more profit on the application. So just download the application on your phone or PC, sign up to it, then start sharing your internet, then you receive your money. So let me open the website. So this is the website. This is the application. So all are active. All right. So you tend to I've started sharing it and it's now working in the background of my phone right now. So that is just all about it. So this is the 3 genuine mobile application I'm sharing with you today. So, and it is very important you just stick with this thing. Wealth is just like a sea. Like it is just an opportunity for you. Even if you have a huge amount of data, you have unlimited data. Maybe you've done unlimited contract of data on your mobile phone. Fine, this is the time to use it. Or maybe you're using a free Wi-Fi. Why can't you just generate money from this thing? It doesn't bite. It is effortlessly. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, and turn on the post notification. I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace off.